right, guys, it's Ricardo, junkguysdfw.net. I'm here with my boy D8. Whoa, wait a minute.
J-Rock, bro.
You got J-Rock. It's J-Rock, bro. I thought it was my boy Diego. You know what I mean? ¿Qué pasa, amigo?
I don't play the bango.
The banjo.
The bango.
The banjo. All right, guys. It is a beautiful Tuesday morning. We're headed to our first job today. Right now we're at the landfill, but we're going to the first job. And Jay, you want to jump in and tell them what it is?
I believe we're going to the inner city Dallas today.
Whoa. When you say inner city, what are you talking about? Inner city?
Martin Luther King, Malcolm X.
No, that sounds like the hood.
We're going to the hood.
Oh, okay. Going to the inner city then.
All good in the hood.
All good in the hood. So we have an eviction. Someone got evicted from a townhome here in Dallas. Okay, so that's where we're going to right now. You know, we don't like really doing these because people get kicked out of their homes. You know, and having people leave, we don't know who it is or what it is, but they're probably going to be on the property, and it sucks. But listen, if we don't do it, someone else is going to do it.
Right.
Someone else is going to take the job from us, so we have to do it. But it is an eviction, and the owner wants us to get all this person's stuff out. We don't know if it's going to be a female or a male, but it is located in the hood. Are we ready to do this, Jay?
Yeah, we're ready to do it.
All right, guys, so here we go. We're arriving here in Dallas. We're going to finish dumping right now, and then we're straight to the inner city. Inner city. It's the inner city. Let's go. Right now, you know, when we see this, we try to help them out as much as we can. So we're gonna jump out and just help them out really quick. And well, it sucks because they gotta dump trash just like everybody else does. You know what I mean? And that's how you help out people. What? I didn't even notice. We just arrived at the home at 1821 Pennsylvania Avenue. Let's see what we got.
So that's red. Just the bed is the only thing that's standing.
How you doing, man?
I'm good. How you doing?
Just great.
Okay, that stays, but the rest of it's crap. All of this in here, back here.
Just the bed. It's gonna stay.
This stuff too goes?
No, not the box.
Okay, not the box.
Everything on that box that goes with me.
Like this, little dresser there.
Dresser, everything in this room, sir?
Everything
Oh,
in
okay.
here, right? Everything. Nobody wants any of this crap.
Well, we'll start with the front room.
The stove stays and the refrigerator stays. That microwave, big microwave.
All right, they're allowing me to drive in the grass, and that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna pull this damn thing. This is not a great neighborhood. The lady was acting really fucking weird. Alright guys, we're at this house and it's in the hood, but the guy seems really cool, really nice guy, and he's already willing to pay. And I was just like, hold up, brother, you gotta wait a second and let us finish this job first, then we'll get to it. So that's what we're gonna do right now. guys, we're gonna head out of here. Here in Dallas, Texas, we just finished up a whole apartment clean out. Really easy, $375. 19 minutes.
Pack a receipt also?
Yes, sir. I can get you a legitimate, like a full-blown receipt if you want. Yeah, I'll do that right now.